Welcome back! Here are some delicious candy cane cookies to enjoy this Christmas. Some of the ingredients you'll need are 2 sticks of unsalted butter at room temperature, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half teaspoon of almond extract, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of red food coloring. The first step is to place the butter and sugar in a mixer and mix. Beat at medium speed until it becomes frosting-like. Afterwards, add in your egg, vanilla, and almond extract. Next, mix in your flour and salt at low speed. Once you've finished mixing the dough, divide the dough in half. You'll be adding the red food coloring to one of these doughs. Work the color into the dough either by hand or with a mixer. Then take your dough and pat them into 2 discs. Wrap each in plastic wrap. Then refrigerate for about an hour. Now unwrap both pieces of dough and take about 2 tablespoons of each. You're going to roll them into a thick rope about 6 inches long. Now start to gently twist them together. Remember to hook the top to make a candy cane shape. Once done, refrigerate the cookies for about 15 minutes. Bake the cookies at 375 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. And there you have it, your very own candy cane cookies. Enjoy them with your family and friends, or just leave them out for Santa. Please leave a comment down below, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.